Alright, my twisted souls, welcome back to Weather with Gigi. And I am out back because this is some lightning. It's more heat lightning. It's not the dangerous kind. So I'm going to try and get some for you because I think it's really cool. It is like really freaking humid tonight, so I can see why we have heat lightning. I think heat lightning is really cool, guys. It's quiet, but beautiful. I'm gonna bring it in just a little bit. Change the color. That's so cool, guys. It almost looks like something's entering the ozone layer, you know what I mean? It just looks creepy. Some scientific sci-fi shit. It's been overcast all day. We've got a big, huge dust plume going over us, and it's making my head for the last 2 days have that vertigo and a mild headache. So yeah, it's driving me nuts. We need some rain. Wow, that was nice. So y'all, that was just a little bit of heat lightning. Thanks for joining in to another weather vlog with Gigi. See you soon.